Holy cow! I have 102 subscribers, and yesterday I made $600. I can't believe it. I absolutely cannot believe it. $600. I'm not even monetized. I'm not even close to being monetized. I'm like 10% of being monetized. And I was able to earn $600. So today's video, I want to show you what I did. Yeah, so first thing that you have to do if you are thinking of promoting something else on your YouTube channel, obviously what you want to do is pick something that is congruent with your niche. So for example, this YouTube channel is about growing on YouTube, right? So what better complement to YouTube than a product that helps you with marketing, that helps you learn to sell, that helps you create your sales funnel, all that stuff. All that is congruent with my YouTube channels, which is why I sell it. And I think it's a heck of an amazing program because again, it teaches you marketing. It gives you for free a sales funnel. So what does that mean? It's a lead capture page. Anyway, it gives you everything for free, which is crazy. But if you want other affiliate ideas, if you go to my website, workwithkimryan.com, fill in your email address and I'll send you an email with some websites that will show you, that will offer you affiliate products, right? Because obviously if you are in the beauty niche, you probably don't want to sell a product that has to do with online marketing and selling and stuff like that. Well, you probably want the selling part, but anyway. So I did a couple things. Number one, I did mention a little bit, not in all of my videos, but I did mention and kind of promote what I was selling, what I was offering. Okay, so number one, I actually offer a free ebook on getting started for affiliate marketing. So again, if you go to my website, put in your email, you'll get access to that. So that's an example of a CTA, which is a call to action. So in my videos, again, not all of them I do this in, I do what's called a CTA. I tell the viewers, hey, you know what? If you're interested in how to get started with affiliate marketing so you could start to make money before you're even monetized, then go to my website and I'll send you a free ebook. Totally cool. So number one, call to action. There you go. Number two, and the reason why I have this silly video up, I did a live stream last night. You know, I got a whopping 10 views, but you know what? We're a small channel and that's what you get. But I'm showing you this video because I want you to keep in mind a couple things. This is strategically done. So number one, my description. I have a little blurb, I guess you can say, of what I'm offering. So that is how small YouTubers are generating an income before becoming monetized. And then this part is so incredibly important because the second line is my link to my website where you can put in your email address. Now, this is key because what you want to do is make sure that you give a reason for people to click, right? But then the second line, you want to make sure that's where you place your website. Because if you notice, here's my description box here, right? If you notice, there's this more link. So if you click on this link, then, you know, you get all this blurb, you know, whatever. But what a lot of people do is they put their link down here, if they put their link there at all, but they put it lower so that when the description is condensed, they're not going to see your link. So there are going to be more people that are just going to read this little bit of your description than people that actually hit the more button and read the actual description. So hopefully that makes sense. So if you're going to attach a link, and if you have a couple links that you want to attach, then you want to place your most important link on the first or second line. Totally up to you, but just make sure it is what's called above the fold, so to speak. So just make sure it's, there you go. You understand what I'm saying. Something else that you can do is every video that you upload, make sure that you write a comment. So I wrote this comment here. You want to like it, you want to heart it, and then you also want to pin it. And then what this is going to do, it's going to keep your comment to the top of the comments, right? Something else that you can do is you can also put your link in your comment. So actually, I should probably do that. So what I'm going to do is copy, and then I can edit, and I can paste. Now let's see if this gets condensed. It might. I don't know. Okay, perfect. All right, so it's still pinned, and I have to heart it again. I don't know why it does that, but whatever. So when people take a look at the comments, they're going to see a link, and they're going to be more enticed to click on it because it's just there. And if people are interested, if small YouTubers are interested on how they can generate an income before becoming monetized, then they'll click on the link and they'll go to my website. So hopefully this was helpful. Tomorrow's video is going to be all about my analytics for the week. It's going to be Friday morning. I'm going to upload it. And again, just a week 3 in review. Take a look at my analytics. Take a look at, see if there's anything crazy that happened that we can learn from. And then obviously in turn, I will tell you. And yeah, so if you are interested in, if you're a small YouTuber and you're interested in earning $600 more or less, I don't know, if you're interested in making any kind of money before you're even monetized, definitely check out my website and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.